Artificial intelligence, or AI, might sound very complex, like something from a science fiction movie, no? But it is actually quite simple to understand in essence. Think of AI as a very, very smart computer program. It is designed to learn from information, lots of it. It can recognize patterns, make decisions, and even predict what might happen next, much like a human brain, but often faster and on a much larger scale. This learning ability is what makes AI so powerful. It is not just about following instructions, it is about adapting and improving over time, which is crucial for any business looking to grow today. Now, why should this AI magic matter for your advertisements? Well, advertising is all about reaching the right people. You want to show your amazing products or services to those who are most likely to be interested, correct? Wasting your precious money on showing ads to everyone is not a smart strategy, yar. AI helps you stop this guesswork. It analyzes vast amounts of data about people, what they like, what they search for, what they buy. This helps you understand your potential customers much better than before. It is like having a super intelligent assistant who knows exactly who to talk to about your business, making your ad spend highly efficient. Before AI, advertisers had to rely a lot on their gut feeling. They made educated guesses about who their audience was and what messages would work. Sometimes they were right, sometimes they were very wrong, leading to wasted budgets. AI changes this entire game completely. It brings data-driven precision to your campaigns. It can tell you which ad copy is performing best, which images are getting more clicks, and which groups of people are converting into customers. This means you are not just throwing things at the wall to see what sticks. You are making informed decisions, backed by solid data and intelligent analysis, leading to consistently better results. Ultimately, AI in advertising is about smart targeting and personalization. It helps you find that needle in the haystack, those specific individuals who are genuinely looking for what you offer, and it doesn't stop there. AI can also help you talk to them in a way that resonates, showing them ads that feel relevant and timely. Imagine your ads feeling less like interruptions and more like helpful suggestions. That's the power AI brings to your advertising efforts. It helps create a better experience for your potential customers, and importantly, much better returns for your business investment in advertising. This is why understanding and using AI is no longer optional, it's essential. Facebook is a giant when it comes to user data. AI is the engine that powers Facebook's ad platform. It helps you target your ads with incredible precision. You can define your audience based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and much more. AI then goes to work, finding users who fit your criteria perfectly. It even helps with lookalike audiences. You give Facebook a list of your best customers, and its AI will find other users who are very similar to them. This is super powerful for expanding your reach to new, highly relevant potential customers. AI continuously learns and refines this targeting, ensuring your ads are seen by the most receptive eyes always. Beyond just targeting, AI on Facebook helps optimize your ad creatives. You might have several versions of your ad copy or different images you want to test. Instead of you manually running A/B tests for weeks on end, Facebook's AI can do this much faster. It will automatically allocate more budget to the best performing ad variations. This is called dynamic creative optimization. AI also plays a role in ad delivery, deciding when and where to show your ads to maximize engagement or conversions based on user behavior patterns. This means your ads are not just shown to the right people, but also at the right moment for maximum impact. Now let's talk about Google Ads. AI is at the very heart of Google's advertising ecosystem. Think about keyword research. AI tools can help you discover relevant keywords you might have missed. They can also predict the performance of these keywords. Google's own AI, like its smart bidding strategies, is a game changer. Strategies such as Target CPA, which stands for cost per acquisition, or Target ROAS, which means return on ad spend, use AI to automatically adjust your bids in real time. This helps you get the most conversions or revenue for your budget, without you having to constantly monitor and tweak bids manually. It is truly a time saver and a performance booster. AI also significantly improves your Google ad copy and campaign management. Responsive search ads, for example, use AI. You provide multiple headlines and descriptions, and Google's AI mixes and matches them to create the best ad combinations for different search queries. It learns what works and shows those optimized ads more often. AI also helps in identifying new opportunities, flagging underperforming areas in your campaigns, and even providing recommendations for improvement. This means your Google Ads campaigns are constantly learning and evolving, becoming more effective and efficient over time, almost on autopilot, which is a huge advantage. Getting started with AI in your ads doesn't mean you need to be a tech wizard, not at all. There are many user-friendly tools available. For crafting compelling ad copy, tools like Jasper, which was formerly known as Jarvis or Copy.ai, are fantastic. You just provide some basic information about your product or service, who your target audience is, and the tone you want. The AI then generates several ad copy options for you: headlines, descriptions, calls to action. This can save you hours of brainstorming and help overcome writer's block. These tools are trained on vast amounts of successful ad copy, so they know what kind of language converts well. Creating engaging visuals for your ads is also made easier with AI. Tools like Lumen 5 can help you turn blog posts or text content into simple videos for your ads, which is great for social media. Canva, a popular design tool, has also integrated AI features. Its Magic Write can help with text for your designs, and other AI-powered features can suggest layouts or help you remove backgrounds from images effortlessly. These tools democratize design, allowing even non-designers to create professional-looking ad creatives quickly. Good visuals are key to stopping the scroll, and AI helps you achieve that much more easily. When it comes to analyzing how your ads are doing and making them better, AI is your best friend. Google Analytics and the AI built into Google Ads and Facebook Ads Manager are powerful starting points. They provide insights into campaign performance, audience behavior, and conversion tracking. For more advanced users, third-party platforms like AdEspresso or RevealBot use AI to offer deeper analytics, automated optimization rules, and A/B testing capabilities across multiple ad platforms. These tools can help you make sense of all the data and turn insights into actionable improvements for your campaigns. They take the heavy lifting out of optimization for you. So how do you begin using these tools? It is simpler than you think, trust me. First, identify a specific area where you need help. Maybe it's writing ad copy or creating images. Then research a couple of AI tools that specialize in that area. Many of these tools offer free trials or freemium versions. Sign up and play around with the basic features. Watch their tutorial videos, read their help guides. Don't try to learn everything at once. Just focus on one tool and one task to start with. You will be surprised how quickly you can pick it up and see the benefits. My first tip for beginners using AI in advertising is to start small and keep it simple. Don't feel like you need to automate your entire advertising strategy overnight. That is a recipe for overwhelm. Instead, pick one specific task. Perhaps you want to improve your ad headlines for Facebook. Try an AI copywriting tool for just that. Or maybe you want to use Google's smart bidding for one campaign. Focus on understanding how that one AI feature works and measure its impact. Once you are comfortable and see positive results, you can gradually explore other AI applications. This approach makes learning manageable and builds your confidence step by step. My second tip is to commit to continuous learning, always. The world of AI is evolving at a super fast pace. New tools and features are launched quite frequently. What is cutting edge today might be standard tomorrow. So make it a habit to stay updated. Follow industry blogs like mine, watch webinars, join online communities related to AI and marketing. Many AI tool providers also offer excellent educational resources. The more you learn, the better you will become at leveraging AI to its full potential for your ads. Think of it as investing in your own skills, which will pay off handsomely in the long run for your business. A very important tip: remember that AI is a powerful assistant, but it is not a complete replacement for human strategy and oversight. You are still the captain of the ship, okay? AI can generate amazing ad copy, but you need to review it to ensure it aligns with your brand voice and messaging. AI can suggest target audiences, but you need to use your business knowledge to validate if they make sense. Always monitor the performance of AI-driven campaigns and be ready to make adjustments. Human creativity, intuition, and strategic thinking, when combined with AI's analytical power, create the most successful advertising outcomes. Finally, why is using AI for your Facebook and Google ads so smart, especially today in 2025? The answer is simple. It gives you a massive competitive advantage. AI saves you an incredible amount of time by automating repetitive tasks. It helps you make smarter, data-driven decisions, leading to better ad performance and a higher return on your ad spend. Your competitors are likely already using AI or will be very soon. By embracing AI now, you are not just keeping up, You are positioning your business for growth and success in an increasingly digital world. It is about working smarter, not just harder, to achieve your advertising goals effectively.